So it's Friday evening, you've flopped down on the couch, you've put your feet up, you reach for your cup of tea or your cold beer and breathe a sigh of relief. Your work is done. Your weekend can begin. And suddenly you get an email from Pink Pig sending you your outstanding queries for the week. You scroll through, you can see things like Google, coffee shop, one of your regular suppliers that comes up each week. And at this point, you might be wondering, why are we asking you? Why can't we figure out what these purchases are? Why are we bothering you on your Friday? And we get that. We know that you've come to a cloud accountancy firm because you want things to be automated. You don't want all the paperwork. And most importantly, you don't want the faff of dealing with all of this yourself. That's what we're here for. But there is a good reason that we send these queries out. So even though your records are kept in the cloud, HMRC still requires proof of what your purchases are. And especially if you're a VAT registered business and you're reclaiming the VAT on your purchases against your sales. So this means that although, yes, we can look at a coffee shop payment and we know what you've bought, or we do know who your regular suppliers are and what you're buying from them, we need the invoices to match those specific transactions so that we can get as much back from these expenses for you as possible. So that's for your corporation tax and for your VAT. So how can we work together to minimize what we're asking from you each week and maybe get to that magic point where we are not sending you weekly queries? Well, there's 4 ways. The first one is just get into the habit of every time you receive a receipt or an invoice, take a picture, send it straight to Dext. That takes a matter of seconds. Number 2, there might be monthly subscriptions that are emailed to you, those invoices. You can potentially modify the settings so that those also get emailed straight away into your Dext account, as well as come to you. And yeah, then they're there straight away without you even needing to forward them on. Third way, ask for receipts. If you are out and about, grabbing a coffee in a shop, getting something you need for the office, ask for the receipt, and wherever possible, ask for a receipt with the VAT breakdown on it. It's great, of course, that many places are paperless now. We're all for that. But so if you can at least get it emailed over, do that, and even better, email it straight into Dext. Number 4, give us access. We don't want to be snooping in all of your private business. That's not what we're here for. But if there are logins you can give us to certain subscriptions, so that we can go in, grab the information without needing to ask you time and again, then please let us in and let us help you save some time. So all in all, please just remember, if we're asking you for info, it's not that we're just doing it for fun. We're twiddling our thumbs. We don't have anything better to do. It's because we need it in order to help you be the most tax effective and cost effective as you can be. And when it comes to accounts, remember that in all things, information is power. And so as well as being able to potentially save you VAT and tax, it's a good idea to have as much paperwork attached to your things digitally as possible so that we know exactly where your money's going, where you're spending, and we can work together with you to get things as good as they can be.